Hi, it's Farmer Sherry from Staley Family Farm in Washington County, Utah. Fourth generation farmer. I'm standing out here in our field of oats. These oats are sprouting up. We've had a great rainstorm this last week and these oats are sprouting up, and they'll be chopped and mixed with alfalfa and corn to make a silage that we will feed our beef cows. We produce beef so that you can go to the grocery store and buy that beef. Every day we're still farming, we're still here making sure that that food is getting to the grocery store along with many other farmers throughout the country. If you ever have any questions or concern about where your food's coming from, we hope that you'll ask a farmer. We're always open to question, and we hope we can give you the best answer. We're all in this together, still farming, still hanging on. Have a great day.